How to fix your Bose soundbar in case it's not working properly. I'll show you a few different things. The first thing I always recommend when you have issues with your Bose soundbar is to go on the back and simply remove the power cable. I also recommend you remove any HDMI cable, optical, anything else that is connected here. Let it sit during 2 minutes, then plug it back by connecting the power cable. And fortunately, after doing this and connecting your TV, it will work without any issues. If you're still having problems after trying this simple trick, I suggest you do a reset of your soundbar. And now it depends which model you have. Let me show you on this specific model, but also if you have another model, I'll show you right after what to do to reset it. Over here, I have the Bose speaker soundbar. If you have one of these, to reset the Bluetooth, you need to press the Bluetooth the Bluetooth symbol on the remote control while pointing to the soundbar during around 10 seconds. By keeping pressed this Bluetooth button, after 10 seconds, the light over here will start blinking. Here we go. It even makes a sound and it's now blinking. The Bluetooth has been reset. To reset the bass function of the soundbar, you need to keep press the bass button during 3 seconds. Just like that. Okay, until those lights flashed. If you have a Bose soundbar with different remote control than the one I just showed you, for example, if you have one that has this remote control, in that case, you need to keep press the power button and this button, the skip button, both for 7 seconds. So keep both of these pressed while pointing at your soundbar for 7 seconds and the soundbar will be resetted. If you have a remote control that looks like this one, you'll have to do the same thing during 7 seconds, but this time keep press volume down and the play pause button. Keep both of these buttons pressed for 7 seconds while pointing to the soundbar, and at the end it will be resetted. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please take a moment, like, but also comment down below. Comment if I can improve something. Comment if you have any other ways to reset your Bose soundbar. I'm very curious and I'm sure it could be helpful for other people to read. Have a beautiful day and I'll see you in the next video.